No before your state na the gbab one lawyer wey be say he go forge im client wey don die will to suit to im own stingy and greediness. As he carry the thing go come submit for court, and they say he allege, according to police wey investigate the matter, they say na the sister of the deceased, that the dead man, na him with the lawyer, na them do the funeral wey they do yonder. Chief magistrate court wey judge the matter come gbege the man guilty or not guilty. The man say not guilty. He said they go adjourn the case, but your bail na first of all 2 million till when they go bring the case, because this matter happen since August 7. Now they don't talk say make the man be reminded to court. How you will be person client will still forge in will? Wetin you find good there? How na this year?
I remember one motivational speaker come meet me the other day. Say, at this my age, so I suppose don't get will. I look property where I get tiny light, tiger generator, power bank, PS4. That's I said, when the will of God be done in my life. Which will? Who I will my PS4 give? Who I will my tiger gen give? So I will descend on you now. The guy don't look me. Almost speaker. Now that's number one. And number two, you see the main reason why you as a president, you need to enjoy your money, because you see the nest of kings with it now. They don't get human sympathy.
They are not keen to do anything.
Not be every talk saying moto nest of king person die. Nest of king they rush me go collect the money. Now I'm going to jam the nest of king. Now nest of king now can collect the money. So now I told nest of king now he chop the money. So what am I trying to say? It's better you enjoy yourself. You understand? I was telling somebody, one rich man for my show, the man I think the man buy first barbecue, he chop. Buy second barbecue, he chop. Buy third one, each
only one.
Only and with one of a guy. Buy first and say pound they drop out. Second, I go meet the man and say the way they chop this in your nest of kin also will kill him because nothing feel me for him. And that is the way it is done. Because the man tell me say this way you chop and they in belly. Say the one with the account no concern. Should be get nest of my nest of kin see my account balance yesterday now. See if I no come in for that nonsense, go sue me for name sabotage. So this is the name they play. So, but this is illegal. It's wrong and it's bad. This is stealing by trick. I know say that they go say it's a sister of the deceased. Now who pay the man talk man go that side. But
it's illegal.
It's illegal. It's an house, na in-house person. Na instigate this thing. You understand? And
the lawyer.
But you feel that is he has no integrity.
Yes.
He has to. Oh yes. That's illegal. It's bad.
Yeah, I could just consider my picking go to lawyer. Picking say go to lawyer. Come and go.
Oh, you no go lie your pit to be lawyer.
You go lie.
What if you say now what you want be?
No, normally all these Kwale Delta people they don't go read law for anything for dragging of land. So they'll get a family, at least one family must get one lawyer for dragging.
They get land where you want drag. They don't take that one family book. So
if they cultivate it.
Cultivate it.